Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Inside one of the world's most advanced factories, giant televisions are born every day. This is where Samsung builds massive 100-inch televisions. Everything starts with the heart of the television, the display panel. Huge sheets of ultra-thin glass are prepared for the screen. Precision machines print millions of microscopic circuits.
Powerful LED backlights are installed behind the display.
Next comes the brain of the TV, the circuit board. Advanced processors power smart features and picture processing. The enormous screen is carefully mounted into its frame. Hundreds of connections bring every component together.
Connectivity ports allow TVs to connect with the world.
Automated tools secure the entire structure together. Cameras scan every screen for microscopic flaws.
Transcription and motion performance is carefully analyzed.
Brightness levels are precisely calibrated.
Okay, that adjustment looks good.
Yes, the sharpness in this quadrant is much better now.
Each TV runs for hours to ensure reliability.
The smart interface comes to life. Wireless connectivity is verified.
Elegant bezels complete the premium design. Protective layers guard the display during shipping. Transcription. The finished TVs head to packaging. Automated systems package the giant TVs. Thousands of televisions are ready for shipping. Logistics teams organize global shipments. Massive containers carry TVs worldwide. The journey to stores begins. From factory to showroom. Behind every screen is a team of innovators. Millions of hours of engineering go into each TV. And it all starts inside the mega factory. Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.